Okay.
Okay. Here we have, I ordered this online to try and cut down a branch that's high in the air. Can't reach it with a pole saw or chainsaw, obviously, and I've tried on a ladder. So I ordered this. It's called a portable chainsaw. Comes in this little package here. This does. Basically, it's just a chainsaw blade with handles, and then you need to tie a rope on each end of this and back and forth on the branch. But when I ordered this online, it looked on the pictures like there were teeth on both sides of the chain,
Uh-huh.
which would have been better. This is going to be a little trickier because you're going to have to try and guess if the teeth are down on the branch. I thought if they were on both sides, you wouldn't have to guess, and you can't see when it's 20 feet in the air. So, first thing we have to do is get this over the branch. And in order to get this over the branch, we're going to have to find something to tie
The rope to.
So we'll go
Me? You can touch me.
right to you and throw you over there. We'll go see if we can find something that's heavy enough to throw over a branch, but not too heavy to throw over a branch.
Because if it's too heavy, you won't be able to throw it high enough.
Right. And you also don't want it to land on top of you. We also have to find out if this is actually long enough for it to go up over the branch
Uh-huh.
and come back down. Okay, we're going to try 3 nuts. See if that's heavy enough and easy enough to control to get over the branch. I'm going to try a nice little basic knot there. I don't know what that's called, granny knot. And bring this because we might need both of them to, actually we should bring the whole show. Put this back into the pocket. Got it, so you might as well use it, right?
Mm-hmm. It's easier than carrying around a chain. One rope wasn't enough, and we're going to be going for that branch right up there because it's hanging over our power lines, and one rope wasn't enough, and we're going to try 2 ropes. You can go now. Go.
I'm going to try not to get it over the power lines. How's that? Oh, that was terrible. I stepped on the string.
And try number 2. Nope.
So the trick is to not just to get it over, but
To get
make
it.
sure that it comes back down.
Uh-huh.
When I get it over that stick, but not have it come down on the other side.
Okay, you can go. Over one of them. You got it over one of its branches. Don't hit me. Nothing came down.
This is more tiring than you'd think.
How's it working?
We're getting the nuts down. What do you mean, how's it working?
It's coming lower. How is that watching it dry? might be able to. Not quite. Got it.
Okay. Now we just need the saw thing that I left inside. So, okay, before I tie this onto that string or rope or paracord, I'm gonna try it on the lower branch here, just to see what the action is on it.
Make sure it can actually cut the branch. And it is a thicker branch than what that branch is. So long as it can cut, we should be good, but it will take a while. This thing. It's working. There it goes.
We're done. So we're putting on the saw blade thing now. Did you take the nuts off?
Yeah, take the nuts off. Start with this one.
Needs to tie it on, and then he'll cut down the branch
Maybe.
eventually, hopefully.
The trick is we don't know. It's going to be hard to make it sit
Perfectly.
on the teeth.
Mm-hmm. Because
Okay.
we might see some sawdust coming down. It's going up because there is nothing here anymore. Oh, we're up there. It's cutting.
Yeah, it's cutting.
Looks like it.
I think it is.
A little bit too easy, I think.
It looks like it's going. Just at the start. Yeah, it doesn't sound like it's cutting. Yeah, I think the teeth might be facing up, or it's on its side.
It shouldn't be on its side, just the way.
Uh-huh. Whew.
We do have another option.
What?
So, when I ordered this thing, I ordered from this site, portablechainsaw.com. I don't know if you can see that. Might be a little bit of glare. And when I ordered it, I expected that the chain was going to look like this. There's teeth on both sides. That would have worked for me. But this is what we got. Clearly this is just a regular old chainsaw with some handles on it. And that didn't do the trick. That might have worked. This did not. We gave it a good go, but I would say unless you are actually laying eyes on what you're buying, if what you're buying looks like this online, it's probably not what you're going to get. So do not buy the portable chainsaw or what may be called the pocket chainsaw online. It's garbage. But I did get some nice rope. Well, some okay paracord, I guess. I'll use that. Little pocket that I can put this back in and never use again. This would work for cutting a branch or something that you can reach without using the rope. If you could see that the teeth were cutting, but if you're at that point, if you can reach it, you might as well use a handsaw or use this thing that I broke. but would have worked a little better if I hadn't have caught it on the branch. I think I might try something like this again, but without all this hardware on it, because I'm pretty sure it just stuck on this snap ring, and the only way to get it off was by pulling hard enough to break it. Also this, $7. This, $39 Canadian. Right now online we can get this for, it was $41 Canadian. Let's check that in US dollars just for fun. $30 American. $41 Canadian. Don't do it, because it's not going to look like that. Thanks for watching. Give it a like.